So we are currently in the McDonald's drive-thru because somebody didn't want to go home because somebody else just so happened to mention that we were passing McDonald's. So now we're in the drive-thru because somebody's stubborn. All Lola's. Every time I tried to put you in the house and I would turn around, you'd sneak out the door and let yourself out. La la la. This is ridiculous. Oh, Bailey, what are you doing?
She says it's worth it.
Charlie slumped.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, could I do, I guess, do you want McDonald's? I kind of like, what do you want? Do you want an ice cream? Because I kind of, I don't know. I might just get ice cream
Chocolate
and not
shake.
burger instead.
Chocolate shake, burger.
Well, I was going to get one or the other because, yeah, we're going to eat dinner anyway. Could I do 2 double cheeseburgers plain? 2 double cheeseburgers plain?
Alright.
And a McChicken patty?
A McChicken patty?
Yep.
Alright, give me. Okay.
And a large chocolate shake.
Large chocolate shake?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I have a code,
Okay.
5047.
5047?
Yep.
Anything else?
That should be it.
Alright, would you like to round up?
No thanks.
Alright, let's go move.
Alright, thank you. Of course she knows what's happening. She's getting what she wants. Can you hold this? Is it still recording?
Sam?
Yep.
It's gonna be 1386.
Thank you. You too.
You barely stay awake.
She's probably literally only staying awake for this
Get
reason.
the chicken patty, the double cheeseburgers, and the medium fry and the shake.
Yes.
Alright.
Because we had free
There you
fries.
go.
Cool. Thank you.
No worries. And here is your shake.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
Is that everything? We just passed. Alright. Are you satisfied, Lala? You get some McChicken patty to share with your friends. And we go homes, and you actually, like, go home, right? Because you're getting your chickens.